Here's how to install our OCAM Manual Tonneau cover for the Kia Tasman. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Note that the body brackets are the same except for the labeled ones, these are for the front. Attach the wings by sliding the black tab on the canister into the bottom rail. Make sure to pull the cover out slightly and slide it into the track on the wing. Secure using the 3 black dome head bolts using the included Allen key. Repeat this process on the other side. Then attach the included rubber plugs. Secure the canister lid using the included Phillips screws, screw seats and cap covers. Clean the rear edge of the tub and apply the adhesive foam tape and trim any excess. There is a factory rubber grommet behind this indentation in the tub liner. Use a step bit to widen the hole and remove the grommet. Then rat the front drain tubes through and leave enough slack for installation later. Repeat on the other side. Remove this pop clip near the tail light and widen the hole using a rotary grinder. Deburr and paint protect the exposed metal and allow it to dry. Then install the rear drain tube. Remove these plastic clips using a trim tool. Then use this hardware and spacer behind each mounting point and install the body brackets. Loosely install the angled brackets onto the body brackets using the smaller hardware. Align the body brackets so they're flush with the tub and tighten using a 5mm hex bit and 13mm wrench. Lift the tonneau onto the vehicle and align it to the center with the tailgate closed. Add 4 T-nuts per side and loosely secure the black flange nuts. Close the tonneau with the tailgate closed and make sure everything is centered. Tighten the T-bolt nuts with a 10mm socket, then tighten the angled brackets with a 4mm hex bit and 10mm wrench. Secure all 4 drain hoses, then give it a quick test to make sure everything operates smoothly. And there you have it, your OCAM Manual Tonneau cover is installed.